No, he didn't.
Is Scotty getting hit by the tennis ball again?
About to quit.
Oh.
Take this.
Oh, that's two.
Oh, Scotty is being a very bad boy.
Not even moving, he's just like, oh fuck.
You need to put your hands back.
Scotty is hit. Scotty is hit. Everybody, this is nutball. This is nutball. It's a very dangerous sport. Do not try this at home. Scotty, you good?
Just cry it all out, Scotty.
Fuck.
What'd you say, Gable?
Just cry it all out.
Gable, say that again?
Man. Just cry it all out.
But look into the camera and say that.
I wasn't talking about you.
Really?
Hey, Scotty, you wanna go?
Huh?
What?
On what?
Oh, you still playing, Drake?
Yeah, we're having a bonus round.
You ball.
Have fun.
That won't hurt.
Oh, shit!
It didn't hurt. No, hey, nuts up here.
Why are you playing with that? That won't even hurt.
Yeah.
That's your dipper.
You could like peg him.
Oh, you one. That ball's over. I'm not sure if it hurt or not.
How about you just throw that ball? You don't have to lock it.
It had to be like right up here. Do you throw it? Do you throw it or toss it?
Throw it.
Throw.
Huh?
Throw.
And like regular, like.
Yeah.
Alright. Asshole.
Beautiful.
This is the asshole. That was
What if I'll be
nutball.
walking,
This is
like,
me,
right there?
Matthew, my camera.